How to speak English, YouTube, any coaching.
Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube video. I hope it's been a very good week for you. So today I come up with this amazing video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can increase or enhance your speaking English, and what can you do to make yourself feel fluent while speaking English. Basically, I know that there are so many videos in the YouTube which helps you to be able to give you a tips which can help you to be able to learn English in your life. Yes, the main key and the main formula that I'm going to give you in this video. So make sure you watch this video until the end to know the formula, how you will be able to speak very much fluently just like me. So the number one tip that I'm going to give you, before that I want to tell you one magical word for learning English, and that is there is no any such formulas for learning English. Yes, no any formula is required for you to be able to master in this language until or unless there is a one certain condition that follows with this particular language, and that is the consistency and your passion. If you are the passionate towards learning this language, and if you know what is a thing which is very much needed for me to be able to learn this language, you will be able to learn that. If you are consistent, if you are focused, and if you have passion to learn this language, you will be able to learn this language very easily. So in all of the YouTube videos that you are finding, what are the ways how you can able to enhance your speaking English? So listen, there is no such kind of things. You have to practice by your own. Try to utilize the time that you give to yourself. If you want to learn English, you have to practice alone. You have to be consistent. Every day, in every day of a day, you have to utilize and divide your time to a particular things if you really want to learn this language. So next time, if you are planning to learn something new and good, just try to make sure and just ask to yourself, do you really want to learn this language, or you are following others for the same? So if you are the one who definitely want to learn English and want to make your life easier, and especially if you are a student who are going to a school or college and you need learning English to be able to crack your interviews and to be able to perform very nicely, English is mandatory for you. So for that, I hope you got this video productive, because you have able to understand there is no such key to learn English. Only thing is that your consistency towards it and your faith towards it. If you want, you will. Listen this and start practicing from now on.